is being filmed on the Sumas prairie, looking down to the east of Whatcom. There is a fire down there and continual explosions, tons of black smoke. There was a property there with some raised land, and on that raised land there was a lot of rental equipment or equipment for sale, cranes and lifts and generators, that sort of thing. And it would appear that somehow that is ignited, and you can probably hear the detonations in the background. It's just filling the Fraser Valley here with smoke that is just going in a continual stream as petroleum-based equipment burns down there.